subscribe and press this bell icon to never miss another lecture video. It down for first order and second order system. Okay, these two kind of order of system will be important for your all kind of exams. Now for n equals to 1, look here carefully. So clear a concept. So for first order system the equation will given like this, and for the second order system the equation will be going to look like this. My dear friend, please go through each and every slide very carefully and write it down on your notes by your own language. The notes will be down in the description. In the next video lecture we'll get into the classification of continuous time system. We'll get into classification of continuous time system. ओके सर, आपने इसमें सर डिस्क्रीट टाइम सिस्टम का जीरो इनपुट रिस्पॉन्स एंड जीरो स्टेट रिस्पॉन्स जो हम लोगों ने वहाँ पे पढ़ा था ना, वाई जेड एस टी और वाई जेड आई टी, वहाँ पे जो पढ़ा था सर, दिस वाई वी डोंट हैव लाइक दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग हियर इन डिस्क्रीट टाइम सिस्टम. वी डोंट हैव क्या? Absolutely, we have YZSN and also we have YZIN. Also, listen, there are thousand concepts are there here in this discrete time system, and there is lot of things are there in signal system. Okay, I'm not preparing for your semester exam. I'm preparing for your GATE and engineering service exams and other different kind of interview public sector exams. So what are the extreme necessary points? I have one pocket जिसमें extremely important points are there, like for your signal system, for your electronic devices, AEC, whatever subjects that I'll going to deliver. And another pocket is there जिसमें कि concepts हैं but वो इतना important नहीं है for your GATE and engineering service exam. For example, there are couple of concepts, like there's so many concepts like circular convolution, section convolution, inverse system and deconvolution, correlation, cross correlation, autocorrelation, circular correlation, all of these methods like sectional convolution, sectioned convolution में overlap add method, overlap save method, all of these concepts I'm not going to discuss with you. I'll discuss couple of questions which is related with those kind of sections, but there will go through like all of these things smoothly. I'm not going to detail explanation each and everything. Because I'm saving my time for beautiful ideas, beautiful important question types, terminology, उस सब के लिए मैं time save कर रहा हूँ. ये सब करके मैं time बर्बाद नहीं करना है. Similarly here for zero state response, zero input response, for discrete time system also it's there, but I'm skipping this because it is not necessary for your GATE engineering service exam, and in that time I want to discuss lot of questions with you. Okay, so my first focus is to finish signals and system quickly so that I can discuss with you different kind of important questions and terminologies. Okay, different types of questions that might ask in GATE exams, because I'm preparing you for both GATE and engineering service exam. Both are different kind of exams, both are extremely different kind of exams, and if you're preparing for both the exams, so your preparation, it has to be like आपका एवलांच मल्टीप्लिकेशन होना चाहिए आपके दिमाग में, कि वो मल्टीप्लाई होके बहुत बड़े तरीके से आपको प्रिपेयर होना चाहिए. ओके, सो इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेक्चर विल गेट इनटू क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ कंटिन्यूअस टाइम सिस्टम. We'll go through all linear, non-linear, causal, non-causal, static, dynamic, all kind of systems in continuous time domain. Again, after that we'll get into classification of discrete time system. We'll get into discrete time system के classification के अंदर. Clear है? And after that we'll again go back and we'll get into convolution in continuous time domain, and again we'll discuss and we'll again come back convolution in discrete time domain. This is how I'm going to finish your entire signals and system, and after that we'll discuss about couple of important टर्मिनोलॉजीज, इंपॉर्टेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, वो सारी चीज़ हम लोग इस स्लॉट में डिस्कस करेंगे. सो आई विल सी यू इन अ क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ कंटिन्यूस टाइम सिस्टम. ओके, टिल देन कीप वॉचिंग जेल, डू सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल. बाय.